Welcome to my YouTube channel R Classes. I am Dr. K. Kimba. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on Constitution of India Part 5. This I have compiled from the viewpoint of different competitive examinations which the viewers may be facing soon. Now come to the question. Question 1. At a time, President's rule can be imposed on a state for a maximum period of A. 1 year, B. 5 years, C. 2 years, D. 4 years. Correct option is A. 1 year. Question number 2. The chairman of the Planning Commission in India is the, by the way, there is no Planning Commission as of now, it is Niti Aayog, but since the question appears, so here correct option is B. Prime Minister. Question number 3. When Parliament is not in session, the President can promulgate an ordinance which is to be ratified by the Parliament within A. 6 weeks from the reassembly of Parliament, B. 6 months from the reassembly of the Parliament, C. 6 weeks from the date of issue of ordinance, D. 3 months from the date of issue of the ordinance. Correct option is A. 6 weeks from the reassembly of Parliament. 4. The President of India is elected by an electoral college comprising of A. Elected members of Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies, B. Elected member of both houses of parliament and state legislative assembly, C. Elected members of both houses of parliament, D. Elected members of state legislative assemblies. Correct option is B. Elected member of both houses of parliament and state legislative assembly. Question number 5. If the office of the President of India falls vacant, within what time should the next president be elected? A. Within 2 months, B. Within 1 year, C. Within 6 months, D. Immediately. Correct option is C. Within 6 months. Question number 6. The Indian President is A. None of these, B. Titular executive, C. Real executive, D. Real / titular executive. Correct option is B. Titular executive. 7. The President can proclaim state emergency in case of A. Failure of constitutional machinery in a particular state, B. Threat to financial stability of the country, C. External aggression or internal disturbances threatening the security of the country, D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 8. In the election of the President, the value of the vote of the Lok Sabha members, A. differs according to geographical size of the respective state, B. None of these, C. differs according to the number of votes a member represents, D. is same. Correct option is C. differs according to the number of votes a member represents. 9. The minimum age required for becoming the Prime Minister of India is A. 30 years, B. 35 years, C. 40 years, D. 25 years. Correct option is D. 25. 10. The President may, for violation of the Constitution, be removed from the office by A. the Prime Minister, B. the Electoral College consisting of members of Parliament and the State Legislatures, C. Impeachment, D. a no confidence vote. Correct option is C. Impeachment. Question number 11. In which of the following situations does the President act in his own discretion? A. In returning a proposal to the Council of Ministers for reconsideration, B. none of the above, C. in appointing the Prime Minister, D. both of these. Correct option is A. in returning a proposal to the Council of Ministers for reconsideration. Question number 12. The Prime Minister, Union Cabinet Minister, Chief Minister and Council of Ministers are all members of A. National Development Council, B. Regional Council, C. Planning Commission, D. Zonal Council. Correct option is A. National Development Council. 13. The President's rule in a state means that the state is ruled by A. a caretaker government, B. the Chief Minister nominated by the President, C. the Governor of the state, D. the President directly. Correct option is C. the Governor of the state. 14. The Chief Minister of a Union Territory, whenever such a set-up exists, is appointed by A. the Lieutenant Governor, B. the majority party in the legislature, C. the President, D. the Prime Minister. Correct option is C. the Lieutenant Governor. 15. Under what article of the Constitution of India can the President take over the administration of a state in case its constitutional machinery breaks down? A. Article 352, B. Article 343, C. Article 356, D. Article 83. Correct option is C. Article 356. 16. The President can make laws through ordinances. A. Only on subjects contained in the concurrent list, B. Under no circumstances, C. On certain subjects even when Parliament is in session. D. During the recess of the Parliament. Correct option is C. During the recess of the Parliament. 17. Which of the following qualifications is not essential for a person to become the Vice President? A. He must be an Indian. B. He must be qualified to be a member of the Sabha. C. He must not be less than 35 years. D. He must be a graduate. Correct option is D. He must be a graduate. 18. How many types of emergency have been visualized in the Constitution of India? A. 4. B. 3. C. 1. D. 2. Correct option is B. 3. 19. The impeachment proceedings against the Vice President can be initiated. A. Only in Lok Sabha. B. In either House of Parliament. C. In either House of the Parliament. D. Only in Rajya Sabha. Correct option is D. Only in Rajya Sabha. 20. Who appointed the Governor of Jammu and Kashmir? A. Chief Minister of State. B. President. C. Chief Justice of the High Court. D. President. Correct option is D. President. Now, the situation in case of Jammu and Kashmir is different, and Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, here is a correction, let me tell you, that have been declared as union territories. Now, question number 21. The President of India can be removed from his office by the A. Parliament. B. Chief Justice of India. C. Prime Minister. D. Lok Sabha. Correct option is A. Parliament. 22. If the President returns a bill sent to him for his assent and the Parliament once again passes the bill in its original form, the President A. can seek the opinion of the Supreme Court on the bill. B. gives assent to the bill. C. can once again return the bill for further recommendation. D. can ask for a referendum on the bill. Correct option is B. gives assent to the bill. 23. If a minister loses no confidence motion, then A. Lok Sabha is dissolved. B. Only Prime Minister and that minister resigns. C. The whole Council of Ministers resigns. D. The minister resigns. Correct option is C. The whole Council of Ministers resigns. 24. The only instance when the President of India exercised his power of veto related to the A. Indian Post Office Amendment Bill. B. Dowry Prohibition Bill. C. Hindu Code Bill. D. PSU Appropriation Bill. Correct option is A. Indian Post Office Amendment Bill. 25. The control of the preparation of electoral rolls for Parliament and Legislature vests with the A. President. B. Election Commission. C. Cabinet. D. Prime Minister. Correct option is B. Election Commission. 26. In India, political parties are given recognition by A. Election Commission. B. Speaker of the Lok Sabha. C. President. D. Commission. Correct option is A. Election Commission. 27. What is contained in the 10th schedule of the Constitution? A. Languages recognized by the Constitution. B. Forms of oath or affirmation. C. Laws that cannot be challenged in any court of law. D. Provision regarding disqualification on grounds of defection. Correct option is D. Provision regarding disqualification on grounds of defection. 28. The Election Commission holds election for A. The Parliament, State Legislature and the posts of President and Vice President. B. The Parliament, State Legislative Assemblies and the State Council. C. The Parliament. D. The Parliament and the State Legislative Assemblies. Correct option is A. The Parliament, State Legislature and the posts of the President and the Vice President. 29. For election to the Lok Sabha, a nomination paper can be filed by A. Any citizen of India. B. Any citizen of India whose name appears in the electoral roll of a constituency. C. Anyone residing in India. D. A resident of the constituency from which the election to be contested. Correct option is B. Any citizen of India whose name appears in the electoral roll of a constituency. 30. The Vice President is elected by an Electoral College consisting of members of A. Both Houses of Parliament and the State Legislative. B. Both Houses of Parliament. C. Lok Sabha. D. Rajya Sabha. Correct option is B. Both Houses of the Parliament. This was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.